Hi guys, it's me Kia again. So in a few days time we're gonna be starting lockdown 4.0. Yeah, that means Corona is not going anywhere anytime soon. It's gonna be with us for a while. So yes, staying home, social distancing and hygiene gonna be our priorities, at least for now. And talking about hygiene, like I read this post quite a few days back. Yeah, there are lots of posts floating around, most of them fake. So, guys, refrain from forwarding them. Okay. Coming back to this post, it said that you have to cut your nails short to keep Corona away. And I was like, no, I'm doing that. You don't understand how much work, sweat, or maybe making others do your work it takes to grow them this long. I mean, people who just break their nail and trying to grow them back know the struggle. Yeah, the struggle of getting your nails long again. So, since I'm not gonna be cutting my nails short, I did some research. Yes. So, I figured that if you keep your nails clean and hygienic, you can keep them this long. So, yes, today we're gonna be talking about nail hygiene. I'm pretending you didn't read the title. But anyways, if you want to know how I keep my nails all clean, hygienic, healthy, strong, long, then keep on watching because I'm gonna be switching the focus to my nails and catch you at the end of the video. So this is what my nails look like currently. Please excuse the middle finger of my right hand. I kind of stained it when I was coloring my mom's hair. I didn't realize that glove had a tear and yes, I gave myself a black nail. But anywho, this is the awkward working behind the camera hand, so who cares? Like the bruise will fade away eventually. Let's focus on my on the camera hand, that is my left hand. I did this marble nail design a few days back. It's already up on my Instagram, so if you have not seen it yet, just go give it some love. Okay, now that the self-promotion is over, let's start with the nail hygiene routine. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is removing the nail polish from my nails. Now when I used to use this peel off base coat, it was very easy to remove my nail polish. But since it's almost over and out of stock everywhere, I'm forced to use a normal base coat after years. And yes, of course, to use acetone to remove my nail polish. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm taking a cotton ball, cutting it in half, so that I can use it like for multiple nails and soaking it with acetone and then pressing it on my nail. You know like how many layers I apply for every nail art. So I want the acetones to soak through. After a few seconds, I'm gonna be pushing the cotton ball downwards to remove the nail polish. I don't go back and forth because that will just mess up my cuticle area. And with light pressure, I just remove all the polish from my nail. Once the polish is removed, I just flip my finger and as you can see, there is some gunk under my nail. So I'm gonna be using the sharp end of this cuticle pusher and scraping out whatever I can at this stage. I'm gonna be cleaning under my nail as we go further in the process. But currently I'm just scraping whatever I can because the skin under your nail is very delicate. You can like bruise it very easily. So I don't go very harsh here. I just gently scrape whatever I can. So this is what I'm gonna be doing with all of my nails, and once it's done, I'll be back. So this is what my nails look like after removing the polish. As you can see, they look a little dry and flaky, but don't worry, once I'm done with them, they'll shine like diamonds. Okay, not diamonds, but they'll shine. Next up, I'm gonna be washing my hands. Now, currently it's recommended that you wash your hands for 20 seconds, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. But I just added a little extra step here. I use an old toothbrush to scrub my nails, and this makes my nails squeaky clean. So let's get started. So usually I do this in my bathroom sink, but just for the video purposes, I have this bowl here with water. It's normal tap water, and I'm gonna be just wetting my fingernails plus my toothbrush, and then I'm gonna be directly taking my hand wash on the toothbrush and gently scrubbing my nails with it. Especially paying attention to underside of my nails. Guys, do this very gently. Don't go harsh on your nails, otherwise it will hurt your cuticles. Once done with my on-camera hand, I'm of course gonna be paying attention to my off-camera hand. You got to keep that clean too, right? So once the scrubbing is done, I'll just go and rinse my hand because I don't want to dunk my fingers again in this dirty water, and I'll be back. So yes guys, I'm back with rinsing my hands, and of course I'm gonna be using a hand towel to dry off my hands. Now here I pay extra attention around my cuticles as well as under my nail and wipe off every single drop of water before I go for any kind of hydration. Now once my hands are all dried, my nails are ready for the next manicure. But before going for the next manicure, like I give rest to my nails for an hour or hour and a half, and during this time I give them some much needed hydration. Currently, I'm loving this cuticle balm from Misabella. It's so thick, it's so moisturizing that it instantly revives my nails. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit or a lot of it and applying to all of my nails and massaging them in. I massage it on all of my hands too because it's so nourishing and hydrating. So this is what my nails look like. Can you see how healthy and clean they look? They shine, right? Not like a diamond, but they shine. So yes, I leave them for an hour or an hour and a half, as I said, and after that I'm ready to paint my nails all over again. So yes guys, these are my nails after an hour. I just popped in here to tell you that I don't go directly over my nails with a base coat. Before even start applying my nail polish, I just take a Q-tip drenched in acetone and I wipe my nail beds, just my nail beds, not the skin, to remove any excess oil from them so that my nail polish will stick better to my nails. Once done, I'm all ready to paint a new manicure on my nails, which you'll find on my Instagram. So guys, go follow me there. Like, I post new designs almost every single day. So yes guys, this was my simple little nail hygiene routine that I do like almost every single day, or whenever I like remove my previous manicure and prepare my nails for the next one. Also, this is like a small little nail care I give to my nails every day to keep them all healthy, strong and long. Now don't get me wrong, nubs are beautiful and you can do any kind of nail art on them. I've done quite in the past when I sported nubs, but personally I prefer my nails on the longer side. It's just a personal choice. So to keep them that way, I go this extra mile of ensuring the hygiene and health of my nails and dealing with these hard times that way. If you have any questions, comment box is all yours. And of course, if you have any tips of yours to maintain nail hygiene that I can use and update my routine, then I'm open for that. Please let me know in the comments down below. Plus, if you liked this video and learned something from it, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to have clean, healthy, long, strong nails, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye-bye.